Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to verify your YouTube channel in YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you want access to advanced features like custom thumbnails, longer uploads, and live streaming, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, open YouTube Studio and sign into your account. So this is where you manage all your channel settings. Next, click the settings option in the bottom left corner. This section contains channel permissions and feature access. So yeah, go to the channel section and open feature eligibility. This is where YouTube shows your verification status. Now click verify phone number. YouTube uses phone verification to confirm your identity and unlock features. So yeah, choose how you want to receive the code. You can use a text message or automated voice call. Next, type the verification code sent to your phone. Once confirmed, your channel gets verified instantly. So yeah, after verification, features like custom thumbnails, live streaming, and longer video uploads become available. Now go back to feature eligibility and confirm that your account shows verified access. So this confirms everything worked properly. Finally, enable two-step verification and secure your account with a strong password. Protecting your channel is very important. And that's how to verify your YouTube channel in YouTube Studio in 2026. Once your channel is verified, you can unlock more creator tools and grow your channel professionally. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more YouTube tutorials. Hey everyone, in